One of the words that really helped me out of my depression was abundance. Abundance and affirmation, you know what I'm saying? Like those two words single-handedly helped me. But I say abundance. Abundance is such a powerful word because abundance is something that we all have. You know what I mean? It's like, yeah, it could be measured differently, but we all have abundance. You know what I'm saying? We have the abundance of life every day. From the moment that we wake up and we're able to breathe, we're able to walk, we're able to, you know what I'm saying, see, we're able to hear. Like, you know, these things are abundance. You know what I mean? Once you can accept that on a day-to-day basis, it's like life kind of starts to open up for you. It's like, yeah, you might not have the most money, but you're abundant. Whatever that area is, it doesn't even matter. The fact is that we are plentiful. You know what I'm saying? And that's the right foot to step on once you walk out of bed. It's giving thanks for the fact that you have options. You know what I'm saying? You could pick this job or you could pick that job. You could go left or you could go right. You know what I'm saying? That alone is such a great gift. You know what I mean? And once I started to accept that, it was like, wow, like I reprogrammed my whole subconscious.